What's the meaning of coveralls? Coveralls. Coveralls.
Coveralls. Coveralls. Coveralls are a type of one-piece protective garment worn over clothing to protect against dirt, dust, and other potentially harmful substances. They are commonly used in a variety of industries, including agriculture, automotive repair, and construction. Coveralls typically feature long sleeves and legs, as well as a zipper or snap closure up the front for easy removal. They may also include additional features such as pockets, reflective material, or insulation for added warmth. Overall, coveralls provide a convenient and effective way to keep workers clean, safe, and comfortable while on the job.